if you have been thinking that you want to help your child to be little more focused and to have little more patience so that they can are able to achieve more things on their study or is personal activities, whatever they're doing. Yes, definitely you can do it. It's very simple if you follow it these steps. Number one, you need to understand your child hobby talented area. Maybe some child have hobby of singing, some child have hobby of scribbling, some people have hobby of painting it, or is music, XYZ. Understand this particular areas, okay, and help them. If the age is 9 below, help them to provide, okay, more materials and tools so that they can able to spend more time in that particular areas. I'll tell you why. Or if the age is 9 and above, help them to join any course or base class, so they need teacher help to take that into next level. Okay, fine. What will happen? How this will help the focus and the patience? Very important. When the child have a lot of interest of doing something, their interest level will be the peak. Okay, so what they will do, they'll put the interest more, that will control extra other all the activities that make them to focus more on the particular things. This easily happen in the hobby area talented spot inside of normal other compared to other areas. Okay, like example, if your child always sketching characters from manga, anime and all the things, if you help them, if 9 and above, if you help them to join any classes, they follow the teachers, whatever they're teaching, the methods, process and all the things to learn this particular things, automatically they'll invest, automatically they will bring complete focus into that particular center point. They will learn it. You don't need to teach them to be focused, you don't need to teach them to be patient. Okay, automatically they'll do this. Okay, fine. How they will do the same things in the other normal education or other areas? Yes, the consistently when they'll spend time on their hobby talented areas, okay, maybe weekly 2 hours or weekly 4 hours, something like this. So this the patience and the focus, the activities turns into become a behavior for them. So that behaviors, the patience, focus, correct, that one what they're experiencing in the talented areas when they're learning the art or whatever it is, that behavior will reflect on their studies or their any games or personal activities everywhere. So basically, when your child is improving on their hobby talented areas, they're also improving their focus, they're also improving their patience, they're also is generating a lot of creativity ideas and creativity stuff. This turns into their behaviors. Basically the behaviors only will shape the child mental health and same time their characters. So hobby talent is not just for time pass, it's a huge benefit is there if you understand this perspective. Yes, if you just look at that as a like hobby, just for time pass, just for relaxed purpose they're doing it, yes, it looks like that. If you understand the hobby is training the child focus areas, self-confidence, creativity, which make them to stand out on any crowd, because that boosts their individuality to rise up. If you understand these secrets, then you will come to know the value of your child talent areas, because the talent came from naturally. Nature doesn't give anything waste. We need to make use of it. If your child always sketching characters like manga, anime, this kind of character sketchings, this is part of the art, this is not the overall art. So you have to help them to join the character sketching class. I am offering 1 hour free character sketching mastery course, free demo class. Click the link below and join my demo class with your sketchbook and pencil, and same time you also can bring some of your old sketches. You can show your sketches, you take my review and feedback, and same time you also can sketch with me character sketching methods, techniques and process and everything. Click the link below and join the live demo class.